Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe. And if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying a Naptural85 twist out tutorial. This is one of her twist out routines from 2014. I literally watched that video God knows how many times, and I've always wanted to try it, so now I'm finally getting around to it. You can also see I am using the Adwoa products, so I will link both videos above in the eye. Naptural85's old video, and I am pretty much following it verbatim, and my review of the Adwoa products. You guys know I love these products. You guys can obviously see I'm starting off on blown out hair, and I will also link that video above in the eye if you want to see how I achieve that look. And that's the only difference between my video and hers. She started off on a curl former set, and that's how she stretched her hair. Obviously I'm starting off on blown out hair, and that's how I stretched mine. So as you can see, I'm using the Adwoa products, and you have to work kind of fast whenever you apply any products where water is the first ingredient, because your hair will start to revert. But other than that, like I said, I'm following exactly what she did in her video, so go check that out if you're interested. And yeah, you can just keep watching to see how everything came out for me. I absolutely love the results, if you can't tell from the intro. I would highly recommend this technique or this twist out method because it works so good, y'all. It works so good. And Whitney, if you're watching, I love you, girl. Okay, bye. Obviously, you guys can tell I was on the struggle bus with the flat twist outs, but honestly, the way that she does it in her tutorial, you have to make sure that each individual twisted in section is completely separate, like no stray hairs. Don't just, like, my normal flat twist would have been a lot faster than this, but I know they're messier, so you have to make sure that each section is separate. And I slowed this part down. I also just wanted to say that when you unravel, be super careful. Now this is still sped up from normal life, but just go slow, take your time, and be super careful when unraveling. These products do have great hold, but I could have created a lot of frizz just because with flat twist outs, I feel like my ends always get super frizzy. And another key thing is to not brush your ends. Just continue smoothing your hair down when you're twisting it up. Do not comb out your ends, because like I said, for me, my ends always get super frizzy. So yeah, just keep on watching. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the demo portion. These are the final results. I am absolutely in love with this style and it looks like a twist out. Like all the time people are like, your twist outs look like wash and goes, and I always knew that was the case, but I couldn't get my twist outs to look like a twist out, you know what I'm saying? Because my hair just like, it will separate and be really piecey like that. So this looks like a twist out, and now I am in love. I absolutely love this style because the twists are so just, they're chunkier, they're bigger, they're looser. I can't stop looking in the viewfinder. This looks so good. It came out just like the video, y'all. It came out just like her tutorial. I am hyped. Let me know down below if you guys have ever tried that specific Naptural85 twist out. I have literally looked at that video over and over and over again for years and never tried it. So this time, for the most part, I did try it. Obviously, I started out on blown out hair first, but let me know down below if you guys have tried any of her twist outs and how they came out for you. And don't forget to thumbs up the video if you liked it. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one.